From our friends at Stamperia, we have Christmas Patchwork. Now, you may remember the Christmas Patchwork in 12 by 12. I'm not sure if we had it last year or the year before, but now it's an 8 by 8. So we snatched it up, and we've got several things that coordinate with it. So this is the, as I said, Christmas Patchwork. There are 10 sheets in here, and there are 60 cutouts, and you can see. So we've got all of these. And we've got our angels. May there always be an angel by your side is what it says, and that's on the back of it. And then we have, again, very aptly named with that patchwork look, very, very cozy, don't you think? Isn't that pretty with the collage and the ornaments? And then there's more ornaments. Here we've got the cats. Christmas and Cats match. Both are made of pure magic. Isn't that nice? And there's the back with the newsprint. It's Christmas time. And here we have the wings, dream. Very good. And then we've got the back. Here we have a village, a patchwork village. Home, let it snow, and happy Christmas. And there you go on the back. Very pretty. Noel down there. Here we have a whole bunch of tags and things. And there's just a whole array on the back. Very pretty. And the back of that, just gorgeous. Here we have more of the 60 cutouts. And the back is a little bit plainer. Same thing, these are larger, so these are just under 4 inches square. And boy, look at all of those cutouts. You want to use that short bladed scissors for best results when you're cutting things out like that. Okay, now, as I said, there are die cuts. Let me bring them in. And in this pack, there are 76. Now, I'm not going to be able to show you all of them, but on the product page, oh, look at the cat. On the product page, you will see an image of all of them. We'll take care of that for you. And you can see we've got ornaments, we've got all of the important elements from the papers. Christmas and Cats are both made of magic. So we have a couple of angels in different sizes, just a lot of smaller pieces too, which is really kind of nice to have because they just add such dimension to your projects. And you can see the tree, so just lots. And we've got another angel going the other way. So just a whole lot of these heavyweight chipboard pieces, as I said, 78. And we do have one rice paper. And the rice papers are all A4 size, and this is simply Christmas patchwork. And so that, with the die cuts, the 76 die cuts, and the papers, makes a beautiful collection. All here, all now.